Hi guys, so I want to show you this vintage cleaning kit. Okay, lens tissue paper. This is the blower. Okay. Alright. So comes with this thing and this brush thing, a cloth, and there's a brush which fits onto the blower from what I know. So you can brush things with it. It also comes in this cleaner solution, which I'm not quite sure like what kind of solution is it, but you can see like you can see that it's like this. I'm not sure if it works. Oh man, it's coming out. Alright, so I'm going to be selling this all in one set. So if you like this, please feel free to let me know and I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you everyone for watching this. Bye, God bless.